In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack publication name. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and log into your Substack account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. From that menu, click on Dashboard. This is your main control center for managing your publication, your posts, and your settings. So it's the place where most customization begins. After you're inside the dashboard, keep your attention on that same left-hand panel. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where all of the configuration options for your publication live. Now, once you're in the settings area, you should see a section called Basics near the top of the page. Under that Basics section, there's a field called Publication Name. If you can already see Publication Name there, you're in the right place, and you can skip ahead to changing the name. If you don't see the Basics section or the Publication Name field right away, don't worry. In that case, scroll down the settings page until you find the Website section. Inside this website area, there will be a button labeled Edit Theme. Go ahead and click that. This opens the theme editor, usually with options shown on the left side. In that left panel of the theme editor, look for a setting that lets you choose between Profile and Custom. By default, some publications are set to Profile, which can hide certain customization features. Change this setting from Profile to Custom. After you switch it to Custom, make sure you click Save so the change actually applies. Once that's saved, click the back icon to exit the theme editor and return to your main settings page. Now, click on Settings again if needed. This time, you should clearly see the Basics section near the top, and right underneath it, the publication name field should be visible. From here, changing your publication name is simple. Click inside the publication name field and type the new name you want for your Substack publication. Take a moment to double check spelling and make sure it matches the branding or tone you're going for, since this is what your readers will see. When you're happy with the new name, look toward the bottom right of that publication name area for the Save button. Click Save to confirm your changes. Once it's saved, your Substack publication will now appear everywhere with the updated name, and you're done.